Hi everyone, in this video we're working on bookmark controllers. So this is very much the same with light controllers. So open app, controller, and let's create a new file. Bookmark controller RB. So open like. I think open comments. Let's see. Alright, let's copy everything and paste in here, and make sure to change in here. Bookmarks, controllers, and every this we change to bookmark post. Actually, bookmark include. Okay, actually we don't have index, right? And create. Okay, so remember this, highlight this and command D, and what bookmark, no, current user dot bookmark dot build bookmark params bookmark save. Alright, I shouldn't have copy, I should write right, l/alert destroy bookmark dot find params id post bookmark post. If destroyed successfully, respond yes / alert private bookmark params remove content, and okay, save it. Alright, open post controller, and in show we have is bookmark okay, could use post is bookmark current user. Let's see that in our model. Let's double check that in post. Okay, we'll use this function. Alright, so that's it for this video. See you guys next time.